Our joint stock company for the production of pharmaceuticals has been producing effective drugs for the treatment of infectious and inflammatory diseases for over 20 years. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP to produce our products. We successfully supply our products to the CIS countries. I work at the company as a leading manager of production organization. A year ago, the company management decided to expand the sales market and supply its products to Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. In order to enter the market of Baltic countries, our company planned to supply a popular antibacterial medicine in new cartons. The drug solution is delivered in 5 ml glass ampoules. In the box, we made sure to enclose a paper manual, a paper sheet with information about the prescription, method of administration, and side effects of the drug. We wanted to be sure that our ampoules and paper instructions would not fall out of the box during transportation, so we decided to buy a machine which would be able to stick labels on cardboard boxes and ensure the safety of the drug. We bought the labels we planned to glue in advance. The design and color and size of the labels had already been coordinated with management, so we were looking for a machine that could ensure that our blue and white labels would adhere tightly to the curve of the box. I was charged with selecting a labeling machine that would be used for automatic or semi-automatic labeling on pharmaceutical and medicinal products. I wanted to complete the task as quickly as possible in order to be able to work on another problem that unexpectedly arose in the ampoule sealing area. A breakdown of this equipment meant a shutdown of the entire site, which I could not allow. So I went in search of a labeling machine with the confidence that I would find the necessary equipment immediately. I decided to look and compare manufacturers of machines in Europe and China. I did my search through the internet. I chose according to location, delivery terms, price category. Among the quality European manufacturers, I found 3 companies which offered good machines, but requested a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen labeling machines and would send me on a second search. I then looked into a machine for labeling equipment from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 5 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced until 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months didn't satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on a translator, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of purchasing automatic equipment or sticking self-adhesive labels on cardboard boxes with Bactericide by myself, and decided to turn to an intermediary specialist. I had an idea of what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. On the internet, I chose several intermediaries, 1 from China and 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. The length of their work in the market for supplying pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of their prices were of great importance. At first, I called the Chinese intermediary. His presented price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery, and installation of equipment. The total amount for the machine was much more than presented on the site. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the Russian company's website more closely. I looked at the prices and the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also supplies shoes and crockery from China. I would like to mention that I told the manager about my problem and desired delivery time. He recommended me a good adjuster and repairer whom we already work with and are happy with the result. Experience has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, consulting a specialist will speed up the task at hand and free up time that can be spent to your advantage.